आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बोलते हैं ऐसे इट्स मेरे प्रेडिक्शंस एंड बेटिंग टिप्स जो आज के मैच के लिए हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एंड फाइस्टी मैच इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन द 20th of April 2025, जो कि बेसिकली कुछ दिनों में है। एंड द मैच इज अगेंस्ट चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स एंड मुंबई इंडियंस। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स और मुंबई इंडियंस की एक बहुत बड़ी हिस्ट्री रह चुकी है। मैं बेसिकली इफ लाइक देयर आर पीपल हु लव फुटबॉल, मैं बोल सकता हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ फुटबॉल इट वुड बी लाइक एन एल क्लासिको फॉर द IPL, बट इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम। दे बोथ have been showing some discrepancies in their forms, but चलिए आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या predictions और क्या betting tactics हो सकते हैं आने वाले गेम के लिए। स्टार्ट करेंगे टीम एनालिसिस के साथ। तो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स पे फोकस करते हुए मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि उनके स्पेशली उनके लास्ट गेम में that they did actually win against Lucknow Super Giants. They won by 5 wickets, which was a great victory, like a resounding victory. In that game, MS Dhoni stood out 26 runs in just 11 balls. Great all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja also having an economic over, having taken 2 wickets, just giving out 24 runs. That was just an amazing bowling done by our all-rounder in the Chennai Super Kings. But still, मैं focus करूँगा on the fact that उनके last 5 games में they have just won one with an average run of like somewhere around 160, while having lost out on 165 every time they're on the defensive side of things. जबकि मैं लेकिन मुंबई इंडियंस के बारे में बात करूँगा तो रोहित शर्मा hasn't exactly been in the perfect form. But moving on from that, हम ये कह सकते हैं they have won their 2 games in the last 5 and with an average runs of somewhere around 170, 175 and दैट इज अ गुड चेस। स्पेशली अगर देखा जाए तो ये आने वाला मैच जो होगा वो होगा एक वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में, विच इज इन मुंबई। तो होम टर्फ एडवांटेज फॉर श्योर, प्लस मुंबई का वानखेड़े स्टेडियम इज अ बैटिंग पिच दैट इज एक्चुअली सोली अ हेवन, अ रन हेवन फॉर ऑल द बैट्समैन, बिकॉज ना स्पिन बॉलर्स काम करेंगे। हाँ, शायद फर्स्ट 6 to 7 ओवर्स में फास्ट बॉलर्स का उधर लाइक सेटिंग थोड़ा अच्छा चलेगा, बट इवेंचुअली इट्स गोना गेट राउंड टू जस्ट अ ग्रेट रन स्कोरिंग पिच। तो मैं इजीली बोल सकता हूँ कि मोस्टली इट्स गोना बी अ हाई स्कोरिंग गेम, स्पेशली सीइंग दैट both teams are going into this game having won their previous games and having that momentum going into this next match. Mumbai Indians के batting lineup और bowling lineup are also looking quite strong. मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि सूर्य कुमार यादव currently interim captain है because हार्दिक पांड्या unavailable है for now, but they have been consistently scoring. Plus उनका जो young talent आया हुआ है तिलक वर्मा, he is also delivered 56 runs against RCB, which is a lot, quite a lot, especially when you remember that you're playing just 120 balls, right? So there is a lot of ups and downs जब देखा जाए when it comes to this match, because both teams have their momentum. Mumbai has a home ground, but they won against Delhi Capitals. Chennai have won the first match against Mumbai, so they have that confidence coming into this game, also having won their previous match. But चलिए हम finally focus करेंगे कि actually betting tips and ये सब हम अपने advantage में कैसे use कर सकते हैं। Information मैंने आपके लिए lay out कर दिया है, अब we'll just strictly focus on why we're actually here. So coming into this game, like I've said, despite Mumbai having lost its first games against Chennai, I could say that Mumbai is gonna get ahead on this game, especially if they start with the batting side of things and having Chennai chase. But otherwise, I think Mumbai is going to take the win with somewhere around 10 to 15 runs, something like that. I can also predict that the average score that the game is going to have, like the sum total of the score, is going to be above 340, 341, somewhere like that, given that it is a very high scoring pitch. I could also say that Verma and Yadav could have about 34 to 50 runs for both of the batsmen coming into the game, because they have been in stellar form for the last few games. With that, I think we can come to an end with all the predictions. Thanks for watching. It was lovely having you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also join the Telegram channel where we will be sharing much more details. Plus, for all those newcomers, there will be a VIP bet that is awaiting you on the channel, so please go check that out. Have fun and good luck.